All right, also because people are going to ask because it's in the background, this is an AM Machinery log loader dump trailer. I know it just looks like a regular deck over, but it is a dump trailer. It is not silver paint and it is not aluminum, because I don't think aluminum would take near the punishment that it would have to for the logging industry. Would probably snap aluminum in a heartbeat. But this is the dump trailer. This is the telescopic cylinder right in there that goes down for the dump. It does have the upgraded Honda GX390 with the electric start, upgraded 17.5 wheels and tires. This is a new model with the wooden deck, the stake pockets, and the sliding trucker straps. This does feature the AM190 log loader on it for 19 feet worth of reach. It will pick up 3,000 pounds at half reach, 2,100 pounds at full extension. Currently running probably right around a $38,000 kind of number. Again, we're middle of April in 2021. Steel is going through the roof in a hurry, so that price is only as good as the steel price at the current moment. So galvanized actually is not figured into that number. It's a regular painted steel. If we did galvanized, I think it's probably an extra $3,500 to $4,000. They are awful proud of that, but it is a hot dip. So they put the whole trailer frame into the tank and burn some holes in the tubing, so that way it's actually galvanized inside and out, which is a really nice touch. But as far as the trailer goes, this is my baby. Not looking to sell it anytime soon, because we'll use it for blessed everything around the woodlot here. And I'll walk on over and show you that red one that was also kind of hanging in the background in a couple videos.